At Meijer, we got the kids, it's after Easter now. It's actually, I'm filming on Tuesday. And so Meijer, but you're going to see a bunch of Easter stuff at different stores that was on sale. But these are Shopkins, and Gavin and Amelia both like them. So I got 6 of those. I got 1 in each color, and those were like $1.50 a piece. And then we got these things called Lost Kitties, and we're kind of unsure what it is, but it's like there's a little figure in here, and I don't know if I told Kevin, I don't know if it's in kitty litter or what, but that's kind of what it looks like. So I got one of each one of those colors. Those were originally $5. We got them for $2.50. They're very heavy though. So, and then at Home Goods, I bought, I've always wanted to try this Prestott brand. It is, it's made in Great Britain, and it's funny because they had these in 2 different places. One place had the regular price, another place had the regular price was $3.99 a box. I got them for $3 a box because they were in a different part of the store. However, they're all good until next year, till 2020. So I got the hazelnut praline truffles, the red velvet truffles, the pink Marc de Champagne truffles, and the sea salt caramel truffles. I also got these on sale. They're dolphin, and they are made in the United Kingdom as well, I'm pretty sure. So I bought those. I've always wanted to try those. And then this is, no, the dolphin, I'm sorry, I have to correct myself. The dolphin is made in Belgium. These are made in the United Kingdom. This is House of Dorchester. Those are the ones that are made in England. So I went ahead and got those. These were at the checkout, these macarons. I bought strawberry, lemon, pistachio, blueberry, vanilla, and cocoa. And those were the only ones I saw. Then we bought these Happy Yummies, which you all have seen us review some of these. We bought the fruit flavored jelly slices and the gummy worms. And you get 6 flavor gummy worms. And then also at the checkout, we saw these Jerry's Nut House. So I bought all the different varieties I saw. Gummy orange slices, gummy bears, gummy sour worms, and then gummy peach rings. And then I found these Belgian milk chocolate toffee, milk chocolate almond and honey, and milk chocolate salted brownie. And then at Tuesday morning, Kevin wants to review these Gilliam, I think it's Gilliam maybe, I'm not sure, I'll have to look that up. They're old-fashioned hard candies. We have watermelon, lemon, cherry, and root beer. And then we have these Parmigiano, how you say that, Reggiano. They're like little oven-baked crackers. And then we have the cheddar, they're crunchy biscuits. And then we have Roca cheese sticks. We bought cheddar and cheddar cheese and...
Those are crackers.
These are crackers. So what are these?
Sticks.
Okay, so we have sticks and then we have crackers. And then we have, these are Parmesan crackers. Okay, and then I bought the Pea Nettles Sweet and Spicy Cajun Mix because we love the Great Value. And then I saw this Liberty Orchards Fruit Delights. You get 4 different fruit nut candies. And then they had this Cafe London. They have all butter fudge, all butter maple syrup fudge, and all butter pecan fudge. And then they had this Merba cookies. This is hazelnut. This one is white chocolate and cranberry. And then this is apple pie cookies. And then we bought the Choco Rocks. They say they're new. Chocolatey chunks. And then the Hammonds, we've never tried these. Hammonds. Soda Pop, coconut cream pie, and bourbon pecan pie. These look like, what are they called? Jaffa cakes, except they're PB King. They're crunchy biscuits with strawberry jelly coated in peanut butter. And then we also found these Coppers there. These are chocolates, espresso mix, dark chocolate covered espresso beans. This is an espresso almond trio. and sea salt caramel. At Walmart, I bought some Gloria Jean's coffees. They did not have any of the Harry and David Moose Munch at Home Goods in the Keurig. They had the bags of coffee, but not the Keurig. And then at Target, we got some clothes to show you. Kevin got a plain black t-shirt. And then this Goodfellow brand, Kevin bought 2 of the Goodfellow shirts, and I bought 2. And these all came from the men's department, but I like how they fit. Kevin and I both bought the same color blue, but we won't wear them on the same day. If they had had the gray in my size, I would have got it, but they didn't have any. Then we bought this Keurig. This is a descaling solution, and we bought some things for the kids because they were on sale. These amazing squishies. These are Rad's Candy and Surprise. I bought 2 of those, 1 for each of them. I bought some of these. These are beans, Mighty Beans. And then we bought, these are Pick Me Pops. And they have some kind of surprise figure in them. And then we bought 2 of these. These came from the regular toy department. We paid regular price for these. Num Noms. So we got those. And then we got these Treasure X Dragons Gold. We bought 2 of those. And then I got a coupon in the mail. I don't know why, but I got a coupon in the mail for if I could have 5 free Caesar dog meals. And so I chose 5, and these were completely free with that coupon. At Walmart, I bought some Austin cheese crackers with peanut butter. I bought some Land O'Lakes tub butter. I found the new Sour Patch Kids heads and the Swedish fish tails. There are 2 flavors in 1, and so we'll be doing a review of those. I bought some Great Value plastic forks. We bought some Guido, some canine carryouts. These are little treats that he gets when he comes back inside from going to the bathroom. Kevin picked out pork chop minis and bacon and cheese flavor. I bought some Tresemme hairspray. This is the number 4. We bought some Purina Tidy Cats. And then I bought some buckets for next Easter. I bought 6. They were half off. They had been $5 a piece. We got them for $2.50 each. They did not have a lot to choose from, but it is Wednesday. Easter was Sunday. It's Wednesday, so they were really, really picked over. And, you know, the kids might not necessarily be into this stuff next year. Like this PJ Masks might be way too young for them. However, it's a bucket. Who cares? It's the stuff in the bucket that counts. So I got the PJ Masks, Trolls. There's a Star Wars one. There is a cool Batman one. There is this Infinity War. Is that what it's called? Avengers. And then this one is the only one that's different. It has like a different handle, and it's a little bit smaller. So you see how much smaller that is, but it's so cute that I went ahead and bought it. And like I said, it was the same price as the other one, so it didn't matter. At Target, we bought the new Snyder's of Hanover pretzel pieces. These are Parmesan garlic. And then we've never had the jalapeno, we don't think, so we're going to try those. I found they had a display. I've been looking everywhere for these. I bought 2 of the Reese's Peanut Butter Lovers and 2 of the Chocolate Lovers. And then I bought a regular one just so I could see how is this different than this. So then I found the new Magnum Double Cookie Crumble. Been looking all over for that. That's the only place I've seen that particular one. I think earlier in this haul, Kevin bought one of these shirts at Target. A black one. He's wearing it today, actually. And they had it in blue, so he bought that. We went to a different Target. And then, well, actually, we went to 2 Targets. We bought this stuff at one Target and this stuff at another Target. This one is a gray, and Kevin bought one of these earlier, but they didn't have my size. So in the Target across town, they had my size. And then back to the other Target, not that you all care at all, they had all of their Easter stuff for like 70% off, but let me tell you, nothing was ringing up like it should. So Kevin had scanned these things on his phone. They had scanned 30 cents each, and that's what they should have been for the plates and for the napkins. So when we got to the register, they were ringing up 90 cents. And Kevin's like, that's not what they scanned. And the guy took them off. He tried to ring them up again. They still rang up 90 cents. So Kevin showed him. And so the guy took it off. He said, that's fine. He said, because nothing is, you know, when they have a holiday and they're trying to get rid of stuff and they put stuff on sale, stuff just, it's like the computer's not up to date. But it's funny, Kevin's app was up to date when that wasn't. At Home Goods, they had 2 of the Harry and David milk chocolate peanut butter mousse munch coffees. We went to a Home Goods that is out of our way, and that's where I found these, because the closer location to me did not have these. And then you all are gonna die. You know I love the Portobello by Design cups. They only had 1 cup all Easter season at my Home Goods, and when I looked at this Home Goods, and it had a chick on it, a blue chick. I used it the whole season. I used that same cup. I found these today on markdown. They were $2.50. Happy Easter, Portobello by Design. They had been $4.99. They were $2.50 each. So that one has Happy Easter with the chick and eggs. This one has a rabbit, which I love. And like I said, these were all $2.50. It doesn't have anything at all on the inside, and it doesn't say Easter. So you know what? I will probably leave this one up in the cabinet because it doesn't say anything about Easter, and it's just a rabbit, and it has spring flowers. So I'll probably leave that up in the cabinet to use. This one does say Happy Easter. It says Happy Easter has a little kitty cat, and it has a kitty cat. It looks like, reminds me of Chapel with ears, with bunny ears. And then this one also says Happy Easter, and it has a little dog on it. And so it's really cute. So actually these 3 I can keep up for Easter, and this one the one with the bunny I'm gonna keep out just because it doesn't say Easter. But I'm just shocked that I got those for $2.50 each. At Kroger, Kevin bought some Honeycrisp apples. He bought 5. They were on sale, I believe, this week. And then I bought these Betty Crocker chilled treats. It sounds like pudding to me. I don't know. We'll see. We bought the key lime mousse, the lemon mousse, French vanilla mousse, and chocolate mousse. And then I bought the Simple Truth Organic peanut powder. This is the chocolate. This is my favorite. I bought some, it's called Smidge and Spoon. These are chopped onions. They're dried chopped onions is what they are. And then I bought the Kroger Deluxe Ice Cream Unicorn Swirl. Ooh, the unicorn. And then Kevin found these Artisan Bistro burritos, and he's going to try these on his lunchtime review channel. This is the egg, cheese, and uncured bacon breakfast burrito, grilled beefsteak burrito, grilled chicken burrito, and egg, pork, sausage, and cheese breakfast burrito. So lunchtime review channel for those. And we bought a loaf of bread, and we bought a King's Hawaiian round Hawaiian sweetbread. At Walmart, I got 6 of the Clear American white grapes. And then right when we walked in the door in Walmart, they had these Bang, their drinks. And this one is the Pina Colada. This one is Peach Mango. This one is Blue Raz. Cotton Candy. Purple Haze, and Sour Heads. That sounds good.
Did you notice that?
Oh, are there not?
0 calories.
Oh, 0 calories. No, I did not even know that one.
Just now noticed it when you picked them up.
We bought creamer and sugar for coffee. I bought some large eggs, some smoked uncured ham, Oscar Mayer, some Great Value sliced Swiss cheese, and some French's Dijon mustard made with Chardonnay, it says. We bought the new Bluebell cookie cake. We bought a gallon of milk, and I bought some chili cows. This is a brownie batter, and this is a cookies and cream. And then we've never seen this brand before. This is Brothers brand, and it is we bought vanilla brownie ice cream sandwiches and chocolate chip cookie ice cream sandwiches, and then we bought these bonbons. This is the mint bonbons, vanilla bonbons, and salted caramel bonbons.